In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a virtual phone number completely for free. Now, there are many tools and software that we can go ahead and use in order to get a free virtual phone number. And in my opinion, the most reliable one is without a doubt Google Voice. So you want to go ahead and just look up in the web browser Google Voice just like so. And by the way, you can do this both on mobile devices and on a desktop. I'm just doing it on a desktop because I personally think it's a little bit easier to showcase, but I just want to let you guys know that you could also do it on a mobile device. But anyways, you just want to go ahead and visit this link right over here. And the way it works is that you need to sign in with a Google account, and then afterwards you need to choose a US based number with your preferred area code. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to do it really quickly. So you would go ahead and press over here where it says sign in. Then you will sign into your Google account. And afterwards, you need to go ahead and link a US-based phone number with your preferred area code. So you will need an actual phone number from America in order to make a virtual phone number using this method. So again, just keep that in mind. And with Google Voice, you're able to get free unlimited calls and texts within the United States and Canada, voicemail transcription, and integration with Google Workspace. This will work on mobile devices or on a desktop, as I mentioned previously. There are a few limitations. It does require a US based IP or existing United States number for setup, so it is not ideal for non-US residents without a VPN or US contact. But yeah, from here you guys can go ahead and make calls and do everything you normally would be able to do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.